What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, you can give me suggestions, ask me questions, and communicate with other people. Watch out, there's also impersonators now in the comments acting as me and trying to scam you. You'll know it's me if I have the gray banner behind my name, and let's get started with the video. So in today's video we've got Wave Ducks, and this is a cool project where it's based on NFTs and they sell duck NFTs and different types of ducks, and I'll explain further in the website. And here you can see on CoinMarketCap it's already on rank 3,430 and 2,400 people have this on their watch list, and it's been growing over time. You can see here it's actually been progressing over and over the years, or not years, days, months, and their market cap is already pretty high of 90 million. So this can go 10x, which means 900 million, and the price would go 10x to 20,000, which is a lot of money. And it seems like they started off with a price of 787 as CoinMarketCap says, but that could be maybe way lesser or different. So here's their Twitter right here. This is their Twitter. They've got a good amount of respectable followers. So this means that, you know, they're posting every day. Obviously, if they're leaving their followers hanging, then that doesn't mean they will have good followers. So that means they've gathered enough followers to post more than like 3 times or 2 times a day. You can see here that they're doing daily announcements and retweets and stuff like that. And they've linked their Wave Ducks right here. So this is I wouldn't say this is an NFT gaming platform, even though they do consider it a gaming type of platform. This isn't a gaming platform to me. This is more of a staking platform, but it's a pretty good staking platform if I do say so myself. So here you can see that build your own duck empire and get up to 287% APY, but I'll tell you right now that that could be way higher. And I'll show you why in a second. This is their trailer. It's an interesting trailer. You can check it out on their website right here, which I'll link down below. Then you'll see this is what is Wave Ducks. Wave Ducks is a game focused on collectible digital duck images in the NFT format. So you can tell that it's not really a game, even though it is their goal here. And then this is their different things you can do here, where you can earn egg tokens. Egg tokens each is obviously 2,000, and then swap your eggs for Genesis ducks, breed Genesis ducks to get a unique one. So 2 ducks, maybe if they're really rare, you could get something even more rare. And then buy and sell NFT ducks in the secondary market. So you could be a reseller, you could be a buyer of many ducks and then just collect them and get passive income. So if you go down, how to start playing, there's really not much. All you have to do is create a Waves account, buy Wave tokens, and then swap Wave tokens for eggs on swap.fi. You can use here, and you can see there's a video and stuff like that. There's their Telegram chat here, which you can gain rewards and stuff like that from community activities. Then right now in Wave Ducks, you can see that this is the most expensive duck right here that sold. It's sold for about $14,874, which is pretty impressive. And then $1.6 million have been in volume since September the 4th, which is 5 days or 6 days ago. And then ducks created today, so there's been 8 ducks bred or opened or hatched and stuff like that. Then this is their FAQ, you can check here, and their team. Then you've got their Medium and Twitter at the bottom, where you can just check their daily announcements and stuff like that. So all you have to do is click start playing. Once you have your Waves account and all of that done, you'll be right here. And if you go to, this is your farm right here, you'll see all your own ducks right here. But if you go to incubator, this is where you can buy eggs and hatch eggs and stuff like that. Now, to hatch an egg, you need 3.59 egg tokens, which is a lot of money. And if you want to know how much that is, you can just check right here at the price of today's date. 3.59 would be $7,417, and that will just hatch you one egg. That means getting one duck. Could be anything, could be any rarity, could be one of the 4 ducks of Bogdanov, Chad, Harold, or Pepe, and 4 different backgrounds and stuff like that. Then you have breeding, so you select 2 ducks and you can make a unique duck, and depends really on your ducks you're gonna be using. And then once after you do once you breed 1 duck out of the 2 ducks, they cannot breed more ducks out of after that. And then this is their marketplace right here. So you'll be buying ducks with wave tokens, and you can see that there's a few ducks here already that are being sold. And I'll tell you more on how to calculate how much they make and stuff like that, which is not really calculating because it's already said here. So here, this seems pretty cheap right now, and also the cheapest. So it's 15.6 wave tokens. So wave tokens is what you're gonna be using for your wave account. And here you can search up waves. This is the token you're gonna be using. It's $30 each, and that is selling for 15.6, which is $474 for a duck right here. So this is the duck you will be getting. The rarity is a low 4%, and it's a Genesis duck. Obviously, it's a Chad. So if you want to see how much that makes in a month, you take this percentage right here. It makes eggs. So once you get 1 whole egg, you can hatch it if you really want to. And if you go here right here, it makes about $82 a month for just owning the duck and not doing anything to it. So it's pretty cool, but obviously it says can breed no. So this has been used to breed more ducks before previously, and some will say yes. So most of them have no, obviously, because a lot of people are breeding them for money. But here you have like these ones right here. This is more higher top tier ones, and they sell for a higher price, obviously, because you can breed more ducks with them. And initially, if you want to have like more egg production per month, you can search for like higher bidders or rarity and stuff like this. So here is like more decent because this is 0.06 and the other was 0.03. So right here you can find different kinds, but if you're in the first page and you chose rarity, this is the highest rarity duck right now in the market. And you can see it's a knight, and it farms $2,000 monthly, which is a lot of money for not even doing anything. But obviously you're gonna have to buy this, and for 485 wave tokens, that means you're gonna pay $14,000 for this 1 duck. But you're still making a lot of money, and you can see here you're almost making a whole egg, and a whole egg would be around 1,842 for 0.89 tokens per month. And really, you could make your money back in a few months, so like 6 or 7 months, and you'll have your money back. And also the egg token fluctuates in price, so if this went up in price, you know, you've already made a lot of money from just having a duck. Basically, make free money having a duck, but this is not free if you're just starting out. And it really depends. There's many different ducks here. Some of them are breedable, some of them are not, and it really depends who used them or if anyone's using them right now. These are the lower tier price ones, so this is 153. The highest bid is 125, and that would be around $3,800, and they would be making about almost 2 quarters, so basically a half, and they make $700 from paying about $3,800 for this duck. So that's basically it about this platform and Waves ducks. So really all you do is collect ducks, you breed them or you hatch eggs, and you earn egg tokens, and with those egg tokens you could sell it, you could use it for the breeding, and yeah, this is basically it for the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. Check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, and I'll see you guys later.